Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from very popular mobile game called Summoner's War Sky Arena. And today I would like to show you how to beat Necropolis B12. As you can see, our team for B12 Necropolis consists of Shaina, Talia, Sabrina, Fran and Raoq. All runes which I'm using and all of the skills and the levels of the skills you will see in the end of the video. But now you can see and watch the few rounds how the team is working, how is working their HP, how they are close to death and so on. So as you can see, we are going straight for the boss, the same at the third floor at the mid and the same at the final boss. Whole team is built basically and mostly for damage. And sorry, I misled you. So at the final boss, the highest priority is to attack on the imprisoned soul. That means that every time the Necropolis is taking one of your characters, any of your monsters, you are attacking firstly this monster to actually get it back as fast as possible, and that you could actually attack straight for the Necropolis, straight for the Necro King again. So as you could see, the win in the previous round was quite an easy, and it is how it is basically, because as you can see in all those rounds that I'm going to show you, it's easy. Like I've never believed I will tell it, but out of all the dungeons, out of all the new dungeons, the Dragon's Lair B12, Giant's Keep B12, Punisher's Crypt B10 and Steel Fortress B10, the Necropolis B12 is the easiest one. Like seriously, if you were able to beat Necropolis B10, I believe there is a really high possibility that you will be able to beat Necropolis B12 easily too, because I did not made any major change of the runes or upgrades or anything. I just put Raoq in my team and Fran too. That's only two differences out from B10 team, and as you can see, it's working. Like for this video I recorded 10 runs straight run in the repeat battle function, and the average time of this team for Necropolis B12 was minute and 36 seconds. The best time I reached with this team in those 10 rounds, plus it's in like 30 or 40 next rounds too. As you can see right now, the minute and 14 seconds, the best time for me. Of course, I believe it can be even better, because as you will see in the end of the video, the Raoq is not fully skilled up, and all of my monsters have quite a big space and for improvement, because they were ruined in my mid game, and like I am still not in the end game of Summoner's War, but I believe there can be like better for, I guess, 25%. I really believe so. If you will have great runes, fully skilled up, everything, I believe you can do Necropolis B12 with this team in less than 1 minute. The leader in our case is Shaina. As you can see, the fire, I guess it's Chakram twin. So she's the leader because she's improving the attack power of all my monsters in the dungeon by 33%. And as I told you, and as you can see, the damage is the key for the Necropolis B12, because you need to you need to deal as much damage as possible to Necro in the shortest period of time as possible. At the same time, as soon as the Necro steal one of your souls and imprison it, you need to destroy and to, let's say, kill this monster as fast as possible. To actually, it could not do too much damage to your own team. So I believe we will watch one more run for Necro. It's fast, it's the fastest run out of all my dungeons right now, because Giants B12 and Dragon's Lair B12, as you could see in the recent videos, they are taking quite a longer time, and so Necro is quite a fast, and I believe that even there from Necro you can get great runes like Rage, Vampire and so on. So I think you can even improve your late game run with this, that we can beat Necro quite fast. So as you can see, we are going straight for this run, and we are close to end it again. As you could see, it's easy. In every round there was no huge problem, not many deaths on my on my side. So quite good team, 100% win ratio for Necropolis B12. Yep, that's it. So let's check out the runes right at the end of this quite a fast run. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So that's it. Let's check out the runes. So the first is Talia, the water chakram. As you can see, she's fully skilled up, what was quite a problem, because really chakrams and boomerangs girls were dropping quite often from scrolls. As you can see, runes are violent and wheel with speed, critical damage and attack. Many of those monsters are built for speed, critical damage and attack, because as we told, the main strategy at the Necropolis B12 is to build huge damage. Now you can see the Sabrina is skilled up fully too, and the runes are shield and violent with speed, critical damage and attack too, as I said already. The third one is the Raoq, Fire Inugami second Awaken, and as you can see, he's not even fully powered up. He has no power up as a second Awaken, so really there is quite a space for improvement. Runes are violent and nemesis, speed, critical damage and attack. The next one is Fran, Light Fairy Queen, with, as you can see, plus 20,000 HP, but it's mainly for the dragons and giants. As you can see, she is fully skilled up too, because fairies are not hard to get from mystical scrolls, so it's not really that hard. As you can see, runes, double resistance, one wheel set, speed, HP and HP. And the last but not least is Shaina, Fire Chakram Girl, twin I believe. As you can see, she's fully skilled up too, and the runes are violent and focus with speed, critical damage and attack too, as many of our monsters in this team. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video, and that's all for the tutorial videos from Summoner's War for this week. I hope you liked it. I hope I helped you to build great farming teams for your dungeons in the Summoner's War. If you have any idea, and if you want any more videos from Summoner's War or any other games basically, just let a comment below what you would like to see, what kind of tutorial. And I guess that's all for this video. Have a nice day, enjoy weekend, and see ya at the next video. Bye.